Have you ever rolled out a new software update only to find your users struggling with unexpected issues, or worse, refusing to adopt it? It is a common challenge for many organizations, highlighting a critical gap in their deployment process. Effective user acceptance testing, or UAT, is your secret weapon to preventing these headaches, ensuring smooth transitions and high user adoption rates. A robust SaaS user acceptance testing strategy should clearly define the scope, identify key user groups, establish success criteria, and outline a structured testing process. This strategy serves as your blueprint, guiding your team through validating that new features or system updates not only function correctly but also meet the practical needs and expectations of your end users. It is about confirming that the software works for the people who actually use it in their real-world scenarios. The core mechanism behind a strong UAT strategy is early and continuous user involvement. By bringing your actual end users into the testing phase, you gain invaluable insights into usability, workflow integration, and overall user experience. This proactive approach helps to catch discrepancies between development assumptions and user reality long before the software goes live. It also fosters a sense of ownership and familiarity among future users, making them champions rather than resistors of change. This early feedback loop is essential for refining the software and preparing users for what is to come, significantly reducing post-launch support requests. To put this into practice, your strategy should begin with clearly documented test cases derived from user stories and business requirements. These cases should focus on day-to-day tasks, edge cases, and critical workflows. Next, select a diverse group of testers who representing different roles and skill levels within your organization. Provide them with a dedicated testing environment, clear instructions, and a straightforward way to report defects or provide feedback. Establish a feedback loop where reported issues are reviewed, prioritized, and addressed by the development team, with testers verifying the fixes. Remember to track metrics like the number of defects found, critical workflows completed, and overall user satisfaction to measure the success of your testing phase. An insider tip for maximizing your UAT effectiveness is to integrate exploratory testing alongside your scripted test cases. Exploratory testing encourages users to freely interact with the software, discovering unexpected issues or workflow improvements that might not be covered by predefined scenarios. Another powerful component is to include performance acceptance criteria, ensuring that the system not only works but also performs efficiently under expected user loads. Finally, consider incorporating a phased rollout plan, starting with a small group of early adopters to gather feedback before a wider releases, adding an extra layer of validation. Ultimately, a well-defined SaaS user acceptance testing strategy bridges the gap between technical functionality and practical utility. By embedding user feedback and validation throughout the process, you ensure that new SaaS functionalities are not just technically sound, but truly enhance productivity and streamline operations for your team. This strategic foresight transforms potential software headaches into seamless, value-adding transitions, boosting both user satisfaction and organizational efficiency.
Like what you learned? Subscribe and stay sharp with the SaaS Pros Breakdown.